gotta do something about that. Anyway, welcome back to the channel. We're in the C10, heading over to John's house. Got an empty bed behind us, going on a parts run. Yo! Hey. So here's John's truck, the 96 Ram. If you've seen the last video, we were doing some engine work to it, getting it put back together. He's got some stuff he needs to get. What are you looking for?
I have my original fuel rails sandblasted, and then I coated them. And I got sand on the inside because I didn't seal it up good enough. So I'm gonna get another set so we can do the same thing over again. I'm also looking for a 1-ton rear for the back, a Dana 70, driver's side fender, bunch of stuff. But that's the only thing I have to get.
Yeah, he picked up a Dana 60 front for like $100 for this thing. Yeah. That'll bolt right up. So now he wants to get the 70 rear to match. We're gonna take his other Dodge because it's got the work body on it, loaded with tools, perfect for a parts run. My chauffeur, open my door. Let's roll.
Hey.
Go find some stuff crammed around here. My square body sitting here. Well, I need to go through it. Can't go around it. Oh, look at that. Look at this. Oh, passing through. Not sure where John went, but I'm looking for WJs or XJs. WJs for seats and a steering wheel if I can find a nice one. Here's an XJ. I wanted to get some electric fans, but not gonna be able. Oh, doesn't have them anyway. Here's a second gen. He's also looking for a rubber floor. I think that's rubber. Check out this unit. Pretty cool. I don't even know what this is. Ford? I think it's Ford. Nice. Oh, there's CJ over here. Oh. Good thing I got my tetanus shot. Not much to look at. Pretty cool. Here's a gold XJ. I've stole some parts off of this already. I just got stuff out of the interior last time. I don't remember if it had a fan. Well, I think someone took it. It's all right. If I remember right, yeah, this one has cruise control. If I ever want to do that swap, here it is. Find anything? Look at this thing now.
That's badass, dude. Look at the axles on the back of that.
There you go. What is this? Oh, it's a Ford. It's the old Vandera got. Pair of shorts. Must be fast. All right, who's climbing up to pop the hood on the XJ? What color are the seats?
You don't want the seats under you, champ. Step on top of that Beamer. Yeah. There we go. CrossFit Jimmy.
Oh, it's got a fan, but it's crunched. There it is.
Down, buddy. I got you. Here, buddy. It's locked.
Oh yeah, there's that CJ hood. Dude, that'd be great wall art. It's got like that classic striping.
Yeah. Can we please get that?
Well, I found a Grand Cherokee, but this is one of the ones he told us not to mess with, and it's exactly what I'm looking for. Good leather seats, they're not ripped up, they're black, got the wheel, battery still in it. Well, I found all the Jeeps, but we're in the jungle. It's more of a wintertime endeavor, I think. Nice square body Suburban though. What we got? Decent wheel. Seats are no good. All right, what about fans? We got fans. Man, we're striking out. Long story short, we didn't find anything, and we've been at it. So we've been to 2 different junkyards and haven't found anything. We're gonna go home with something, so we paid $50 for this.
That thing is sick. It's gonna look great on the wall. Let's go.
All right. Nice. Still got the hood prop. He's gonna want another 10 bucks. Cool.
That's pretty rad.
Oh yeah, you did get your fuel rails.
Off to the shop.
Oh, your chain came undone.
What's the worst that can happen?
That. All right, we're at John's shop to do some welding. This is that axle I was talking about.
This came out of a 99 2500 second gen Dodge. As you can see, be a hole in there. So we're gonna replace the coil buckets. Hopefully this will be somewhat of a start of a little small series of why Dodge axles suck. A lot of guys don't choose these for their off-road projects because of a few reasons. First reason being that these coil buckets, they're always rusted out. We got new buckets to put on here today. Just cut all these welds, throw it back on, and probably easier said than done, but let's get started.
Well, you broke out the plasma cutter. Yep. I guess it's not going too well with the grinder, huh?
I have, you know, it's going pretty well, but...
Yeah, that's going to be tricky too, yeah. So that's going to be nice.
Buddy.
You all right in there?
I'm struggling.
We got work to do.
I know.
Well, I guess I'll do the cutting. What's for supper?
We're baking rolls. Firmly grasp it. I can't touch it, it's hot. We found that out the hard way, off camera. Just me, actually. Aha! Well, it only took 2 hours, but we got one off. Woo! Slides right in.
So I think that's all we have time for on the axle today, but we have a little side mission. First gen?
Rumor has it that this tailgate here is on the house, and it would look great on my wall. She's coming home with me. I'm sure the owner doesn't mind.
Well, we didn't get anything we needed today. Well, you got your fuel rails.
I got my fuel rails, yeah.
I didn't get anything. But this hood is dope. Well, even though we didn't make out too good getting Jeep stuff, John made out pretty good getting his fuel rail. Part 2 of the engine video, we're gonna get the intake manifold on, the accessories, fuel rail, injectors. We also have to make new AN fuel lines for it, and then we can fire it up. So that'll be the next video on this, hopefully, or we're gonna work on the axle again, or both. But at least we got a cool hood out of it. That's gonna wrap it up for this one, guys. Take it easy. See you in the next one.